Hi Tesla fans, welcome to part 2 of our Dynamat DIY installation kit, focusing right now on the rear trunk hatch. This area brings in a lot of road noise into the cabin of the car. Yes, all the way through. And you know what? Our friends at Dynamat have recognized this and they have pinpointed where this noise is coming from. And we're going to install our Dynamat kit. It's pre-cut, very easy to do right now.
So I'm Ollie with T-Sportline and we're just about to start doing the trunk lid kit, the Dynamat trunk lid kit. So let's get underway. To start this, you need to remove the plastic cover that's on here. So again, go in from one of the sides and just pull it down, just enough to get your fingers behind again. Once you do this, you can pull it down. Some of the clips you might need to get a pry bar in just to get behind them because some of them are pretty tight. So on some of these older ones, the clips tend to stay in. On the newer ones, they don't tend to stay in as much. Just remove these before we start. So now, like we had with the doors, you've got a little cheat sheet here to tell you which pieces go in which positions. Obviously the dotted outlined ones, they go behind the panel. And then the ones you can actually physically see obviously go on the face of the panel, like one here and stuff like that. So let's get at it. So we're going to start with E. Now, the way this works, or the way I interpret it working, E goes behind and H here will actually cover this hole up. It's actually going to cover the hole so you can't get through. So it's very important that we put A, E, B, and I'd even say F and G in first before you put H. So let's start with this E. That goes up. Behind like this. And again, because it's on the outside of the body, I wouldn't suggest that you use the roller. And then we've got F. And then G, the same way. And then we're going to put A and B in, and A and B are these slightly bigger rectangles. You'll find when you start installing Dynamat, you figure out weird and wonderful ways of getting your hands into cars in different places and try and putting stuff in. Now the same with the other handle. Two skinny pieces. These go one under each of these cables. To stop the cables rattling against the car. And then this last piece. Now this last piece, you'll see it has a cutout across the back. This is so you can get the cables through. So you want to loop this around the cables. and you'll have a cutout for this grounding point. And this covers up this hole. So now we've got all the Dynamat installed in the trunk lid. We're going to go replace all the clips that came out when we pulled the top down. So we'll drop those in. Now with this, line it up. And that's it, all done.
That was really easy, right? So now we have completed part 2 of the Dynamat 3-part installation kit. The rear trunk lid has been taken care of. Click on the next video because we're about to install the actual full trunk kit right now.